Namaste. Welcome to my channel. I am founder of Akhanda Yoga Institute and Akhanda Yoga Wellbeing. So, sometimes people ask me, teach me something I can do in 5 minutes. So I'm going to teach you something really good, even in 5 minutes you can do. So this is Yogacharya Parvinji, this is Sakshiji, and they are going to do practice. Let's sitting into Vajrasana. Palms on your thighs and just few deeper breathing. We have only 5 minutes, big exhale, big inhale, with big smile. Now let's exhale, palms on the ground in front of you to come to Marjari Kriya, active. Let's start. You inhale up, exhale, round. This Kriya is just so good. It works on your whole spine. It works on your respiratory system. It's work on all glands. It works on your digestion system. It works on your thyroid, parathyroid gland. It is just so simple and is really good. It has so many benefits. Keep going. Inhale up, exhale round. Inhale up, exhale round. Inhale up, exhale round. Just few more rounds, happier. And now let's inhale, look up, hold breath in for a moment, knees together. Exhaling, come into child pose and making 2 honeybee here. You can stretch hands forward or hands next to your body. Next inhale, big inhale for Bhramari. One more, inhale. Beautiful. Next inhale, come into table, cross your ankle and sitting into any easy, comfortable pose for Meru Kriya. Just make sure you have enough space for doing this Kriya. So you just let's inhale, arms up, start with the right side. Keep going, keep going. So in Marjari Kriya, you work on back and forth on your spine. Now you're working on that twisting. This is so good for your mental health. Is work on Saman Vayu. Just few more rounds, side to side, exhaling, inhaling. Now let's inhale, open arms, hold breath in. And exhale, hand to your knees. In Jnana Mudra, let's make 1 honeybee here, Bhramari. Inhale. Beautiful. Let's now Parshva Sukhasana, working on side bending, right palm on the ground or right elbow on the ground. Just feel what is work for you. Inhale, raise left hand up, looking up, and just couple of deep breath here. Now let's inhale, come in center. Exhaling, left palm on the ground, left side. Inhale, raise right hand up. Please, you do same variation what you did from other side. You stretch right hand, left side. Breathing into right side of your body. One more happy breath here. And inhale, come up. Exhale, hand to your knees. In Jnana Mudra, 4-3 Brahmari. Inhale. 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 Beautiful. In 5 minutes, you work on the all direction of your spine. You work on your respiratory system. You massage your digestive organs. You work on the glands. You work on the chakras just in 5 minutes. If you enjoy this practice, please subscribe this channel and send to your friends as well. Also, we have AkhandaYogaOnline.com. There is a lots of videos are waiting for you to practice together. Namaste. Have a beautiful, happy day. Hari Om Tat Sat from Himalaya.